Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Update your iPhone and computer so the app works reliably, then install the Webcam app on both devices. Once done, plug the iPhone into the computer with a cable for the most stable feed, or connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network if you need freedom of movement. Make sure the app on the phone is allowed to access the camera and microphone. Without those permissions, the computer can't receive a video stream. Now connect the feed to your meeting or streaming software. Open your video app and select the iPhone model shown by the companion software as the camera source. Then configure resolution and frame rate. Pick 720p or 1080p depending on bandwidth and CPU, and rotate or flip the image if required. Make sure the mic selection matches your intent. You can use the phone microphone, the computer mic, or an external USB mic. Once configured, finish by mounting the iPhone on a tripod or clamp and framing your shot so it looks natural. Good lighting and a stable rig eliminate the most common problems. If you see lag, dropouts, or poor quality, first switch to a wired USB connection or resync the app and computer. If issues persist, quit both apps and relaunch them, and then reboot the phone or computer as a last resort. This clears driver and permission hiccups and restores a clean video stream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.